pool in the ZL1 with my guy.
Side chick LT1.
Go follow him on Instagram. He had the white one in the last few videos. Got rid of that and got the big boy.
I'll do it from a 40. It seems like the 40, the wheels don't want to hop, so.
That's that no lift shift?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So all you gotta do is burp the throttle or burp the clutch.
A little bit.
Yep, that's all you gotta do.
Yeah, yeah. This thing moving.
Yeah, for stock on cold air intake. Couple mods. Hoping to be around probably 750 to the tire. Do exhaust, headers, and E40. Tuner says right now with just the intake being a manual, it should make right around 610 at the tires. I'm actually really impressed with the upgrade from the other white Camaro. I love that car, but
I'm surprised on how it's hooking up too. You know what I'm saying?
So it actually tells you in here how much wheel spin you have. So hold on, where's it at? Info, performance. I have
oh, there you go.
I have 3%. So
let's see when you take off.
We'll put it in track mode. I've only run this car once in track mode, so let's see what it does.
Snow and ice right now.
Track mode.
All right.
So we'll go from a dig. This thing's fucking a beast in fucking track mode. The gearing's so different.
Damn.
So in this one compared to mine, the gearing is probably a 1/16 of an inch closer. So I haven't had a whole lot of seat time. So.
Yeah.
Seen that front bumper? I thought that was police.
Yeah, I thought it was too at first.
This car likes track mode. You can feel it change exactly as I'm driving on. You feel that stutter?
Yeah.
It changes the whole suspension setup and everything.
Yeah, that track mode is crazy.
Damn.
They going crazy for the taco stand right now.
Normally when we're out here, there's no traffic.
Yeah. Tacos and took over the block. And it's not even Tuesday, it's a weekend, so that's what's crazy.
So right now I have 30% wheel slippage in track mode.
I watched that shit go up. Just lighten them up. Wow.
The fuck? The fuck? What the fuck's going on?
Huh?
What? This thing from a
ZL1. Let me get like a 20.
Fuck, you gonna keep me in first gear?
Hell yeah. That's what I'm saying. As soon as they put that taco right there, boy. Yeah, let's get it. Come back with some boost, boy. Gotta come back with some boost.